it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and here's my week 2 of my project life for 2018. So I'm still using the January Citrus Twist Kit, and I've got all my photos ready, and I have chosen a couple of 3x4 cards and also a cut down of a 6x6 paper from the crate paper for the photo on the bottom left. Now, because I'd used the blue on the bottom left, I did decide I wanted another touch of the blue on another part of the spread. So I cut out this label from the cut apart sheet just to pop there with the photo of my daughter and a boyfriend. I had a look through the die cuts and I messed about quite a bit with some tags on this top page, but I did decide to pop one at the bottom with the photo of my husband having his Subway when we went out for the day. And so I decided to definitely keep hold of that one, but I did struggle with the top card for a little bit. I've also decided to bring in some of the cork hearts, partly because I forgot I had them last time. So I've got 3 of those on the spread. I've got a couple on the bottom card, and then I've also got one under with that photo and label. And then for the rest of the spread, I did do a little bit more messing about, though not as much as I have done. I did use quite a few of the puffy stickers. So I did like this Oh Yeah banner sticker, and I initially popped it on the wax paper trying to find something else to go underneath it, though the only real quotes that went were too short. I did want something that was a different length to the banner, and then the one that I did find that was long enough wasn't quite right. So I started to go through some of the die cuts again, tried to see if some of these asterisks would work, but the photos, there just really wasn't a place that I could find that some of those could nestle up in, and the only place I liked the tag was on its side, and that didn't really work as well because of the way the wording was. So I did get out the cut apart sheet that we got from the 6x6 paper pad, and I did try a few of the tags from there to see if they'd work, but again I couldn't quite get them to work on the photo in the sort of positions that I did want. Now, while I'm messing about with said tags, I will apologise for a little bit of lost footage. So my camera battery did die on me, it did stop, and I decided to do my journaling on that must make card, and then I actually forgot to put the camera back on while I did a little bit of messing about. So to let you know what I did is I did all my journaling on the must make card. Then I realised a couple of things. One, I actually didn't like it once it had all the journaling writing on. I didn't like the way it looked on the page. And second, I'd also put the story in that I planned on putting on the tag next to my husband, the picture of my husband. So you will see that that has completely changed. I did change it to a blank card, rewrote my journaling minus the story that I wrote on the tag card, and so that I could make sure my journaling went on it right, because I did put the puffy sticker flowers on there. Is the die cut flowers are exactly the same size. So what I did, rather than mess anything up and have to try and peel the puffy sticker off, is I just held the die cut in place while I wrote my journaling. But apart from that, the only real thing I did was I think I added a flower up on top of the Oh Yeah, just to match those puffy flowers down the bottom. And that's the only thing that's really cut out of this, apart from probably a little bit more messing. So I'm nearly finished. I will end up putting another puffy sticker on that bottom photo that you'll see in a minute. But I hope you've enjoyed this video from me of my week 2 of Project Life. I'm so far keeping up with what I've said I'll do, which is to stay up to date. So I hope you'll join me for the rest of 2018. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.